Good morning, sir, ma'am, and all my dear friends. Myself, Surjit Ponda, second sem ETC branch. Today, my seminar topic is Smart Note Taker. This is Smart Note Taker. Contents: Introduction, History, Futures, Construction, Working Procedure, and Principal, Advantages, Disadvantages, Applications, Conclusion. Introduction. Smart Note Taker is a pen which is able to write in air, and that information is stored in the memory chip of that pen. It is made by Cavell Industry in Hong Kong. History. PC Note Taker, world's first device that captures natural handwriting on any surface onto PC. Cannot fulfill the requirement. It is not editable. It is not shareable. Futures. Satisfies needs of people in today's fast life. We can draw the figures. It recognizes up to 22 international languages. Will save time. Will facilitate life. Uses Java software. Construction. The construction is Smart Note Taker. Working procedure: write, upload, edit. Working principle: displacement sensor sense the displacement of SNT. The sensor structure is compared with stuttered alphabets in database. The letter with close similarity is stored in the memory. By connecting the SNT to a PC, we can see the note. All you have to do is just set the pen is the dock for it to make a connection for both charging and signing with your PC. Advantages: with the help of Smart Note Taker, we can write notes on any surface, even air, without using a paper. It is time saving. Smart Note Taker is reliable and powerful. It is helpful for blinds that think and write freely. Smart Note Taker is used for instructor in presentation, easy to use wireless connection. Disadvantages: cost of the Smart Note Taker is very high. Only high classes people can afford this type of note takers. Applications: it converts your handwriting into text, and handwriting is recognized 99.9% accurately. Write in cursive or print, even a combination. Tired of printing, then signing, then fax documents just to add a signature. Mark and highlight a document for changes in any application. Make a point of importance of any presentation. Conclusion. Hence, I can conclude that the Smart Note Taker is a device that can store virtual recordings and thus can be used widely. The system will try to improve a pen which helps people get rid of typing problems on computer by the technology. Thank you all.